Are you facing a problem with your forklifts or material handling equipment? Or do you want to keep them well maintained to reduce downtime and repair costs? Look no further. We at Stars Forklift can provide you with on-site and off-site professional diagnostic, repair, and preventive maintenance services using only genuine replacement parts. With competitive prices and long-term warranties, our services cover the whole kingdom 24/7. Stars Forklift is also the exclusive agent in Saudi Arabia for the renowned Sunlight batteries. With Stars Forklift, your machinery is in good hands. Visit our website, starsforklift.com, and get your quote today.